You're watching First Up. An internal committee, while giving a strong warning to cricketer Ahmed Shehzad for openly talking and brandishing his religious views at the cricket field. The PCB has asked the player that he must only concentrate on cricket. This after Shehzad was caught on camera talking of conversion to Tilak Ratne Dilshan after the last one-day international in Dambulla, an act that has been widely criticised.
This is unprecedented in the history of sport.
I'll just explain.
In an incident that seems completely out of place on a cricket field, Pakistan batsman Ahmed Shehzad had a piece of advice for Sri Lankan opener Tilak Ratne Dilshan. The incident happened during the last one-day match between the two countries on 30th August. While the players were walking back to the dressing room in Dambulla, Shehzad was caught on camera telling Dilshan, and I quote, "If you are a non-Muslim and you turn Muslim, no matter whatever you do in your life, straight to heaven," unquote. Dilshan's reply was not audible, but Shehzad was then heard saying, "Then be ready for the fire." In their response to the incident, PCB's General Manager Media, Agha Akbar, has said that Shehzad was called to the PCB headquarters in Lahore and asked about his comments. Ahmed has informed the PCB that it was his personal chat with Dilshan and there was nothing more to it. PCB on its part is still investigating the matter. What raises an eyebrow is that Shehzad chose the cricket field to talk about his religious beliefs. And why did he pick Tilak Ratne Dilshan? Is it because Dilshan was born to a Muslim father? Players converting their religion is nothing new. Former Pakistan captain Yusuf Yohana converted from Christianity to Islam and took the name Mohammad Yusuf. South African fast bowler Wayne Parnell too converted to Islam. But the biggest name is that of legendary boxer Cassius Clay, who embraced Islam early in his career and became known as Muhammad Ali. Recently, English bowler Moeen Ali was reprimanded by the ICC for various religious bans on the field of play. And no surprises that the cricket community is aghast with this incident coming to light.
जबकि खिलाड़ी का और खेल का ना कोई मजहब होता है ना उसकी कोई जात होती है, वो तो अपने देश या मुल्क का प्रतिनिधित्व करता है और नाम कमाता है.
So I think there should be a freedom of thought, freedom of mind, freedom of everything. And after researching, if somebody is just, thinking that there is plenty of examples, all over the world, that like Muhammad Ali Kele, that he changed his religion. Then there is plenty of more, and Muhammad Yusuf,
The big question is if the PCB will take appropriate action against the brash 22-year-old Shehzad. If they will set a precedent in this one-of-a-kind case and send out a clear message against religious acts of such kind on the field. Sports Bureau headlines today.